Oh my goodness. Still have CG lightning strikes. My goodness. I'm gonna watch those wires right there. Those wires might go down. It is a lot darker in person. I have my lighting set up so you guys can see the trees. How these trees are blowing. We're getting really, really strong winds right now. I don't want this video to be too long. We are getting some really good strikes over there. Let me back up a little bit. Man, look at these winds. Wow. Jeez. Alright, I'm about to turn the lighting back down here. Jeez. So you guys can get a view of that lightning over there. We're getting some really good lightning here. I'm about to turn the lighting back down to how it's supposed to look. We're getting some really good lightning over there. And I mean, these are really good lightning strikes. Gonna try and get my tripod set up here. My goodness. Man, that lightning. Really, really strong winds here. That sky over there is green. I'm gonna set the camera down right here for a little bit. Set the camera down real quick. Good, it's still facing over there. So you guys get a view of that lightning. I'm going to set up my tripod here. And we are getting some ferocious lightning strikes. These ones are booking it here. I got the tripod on. Camera on the tripod. It's vicious lightning going on. Just still booking it here. I don't even have my phone. Hey, can you go hand me my phone? It should be sitting on my bed. If not, it's somewhere. It's somewhere on my side of the room. It should be on my bed somewhere. Vicious lightning strikes going on. Winds are still blowing here. Did you find it? This wind is just blowing here. It's gotten a lot cooler outside too. That lightning, man, I'm telling you, we're getting some vicious lightning right now.
We're hoping it took at least a 10-degree hit.
Yeah, because it's been hot. This is exactly what we've been needing for the longest. I got a lot of people calling me. Yeah. Yeah. It's about to storm like pretty bad here in a little bit.
There's a light rain.
Maybe it's gonna be a windstorm. Okay. Bye. got all types of messages coming in. Who else called me? Oh, Brendan called me. Here comes the rain. Move this back. Still want to get a glimpse of that lightning over there. That lightning over there is... Here comes the rain. My good... Check that out! Man. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna... Whoa, my goodness, look this. Look, check this out. Okay, I'm setting the lighting back up here. Man, really, really vicious winds. We're gonna have multiple parts of this. This looks like this is gonna be going on for a long while. I want to catch the winds, man. As you guys can see the lightning flashing there. Man, derecho type thunderstorm coming through. Really, really intense winds with tremendous lightning. I'm gonna set the lighting back down here. I'm holding it with the camera on the tripod. So I'm holding the tripod right now because this storm is pretty intense. My goodness. Really intense rain shafts coming in. I'm going to set the lighting back up here. I want you guys to get a look at these rain shafts. Man, strong lightning. They are still blowing. I mean, my goodness. Look at that over there, man. We haven't had us a good windstorm like this in a while. Jeez. Just that way down there. There are trees down with this one. I know that for a fact. There has to be trees down with this one. I haven't seen any power flashes in the distance or anything. That's some really nice lightning. Man. Jeez, did you see that? Setting the lighting back down. Alright, I'm gonna leave the lighting down throughout the rest of the video. Catch these lightning strikes. We're getting really intense lightning strikes here. I'm gonna continue to hold this tripod. I'm surprised no trees have came down with this yet, from my view. Only just some limbs. A good CG strike over there. Brandon had called earlier. This is a windstorm right here. Check this out. Got rain blowing inside now. Excuse me. Just sneezed. Thank you. Wow. Even these are wet. Can't even use those. I just use my finger here to wipe it off. It's gonna smudge it. Hasn't been no hail. And here comes the rain. I'm going to set the tripod back down. I'm going to aim the camera that way. Like I was readjusting my tripod. Rain is really coming down here. We got some good CP strikes over there too. Rain just keeps pouring in.